If you are used to QGIS before, you mostly might have heard of Quick Map Services. This is the most popular plugin of all time. What it does is that it adds a base map to your project. Let me show you how to get the plugins. For you to get the plugins, all you simply need to do is to click on these plugins. You come to this plugin, you click on it, and you come to manage and install plugins. You click on that. Then you search for the Quick Map Services. This is it here. You click on it, Quick Map Service, and you click on install plugins. Okay, once you are done with the installation, you click on close. Alright, so under this web, when you click on web, under this Quick Map Services, you click on settings. Under settings, come to more services and you click on get contributed part. You click OK and you click on save. So as soon as you click on save, you come to this web. You come to web and you click on Quick Map Services. So under Quick Map Services, you can see we have under Google, we have Google Hybrid, we have Google Satellite. Alright, let's check this out. The first one is Google Hybrid. Let me move it towards the location I'm interested in. So you can see Google Hybrid is at the top. By the time I uncheck this, only having the Google Hybrid. So this is Google Hybrid. It's going to show you, give you the project. On the project area, you get the names of the countries where you zoom to. You know, that's for Google Hybrid. For Google Satellite, you only get the Google Satellite view, and for this you get, for the standard, this is what you get. Alright, and lastly for open, for this is what you get. Open map, this is what you get. And that is how to bring in Google Satellite to your project on QGIS using the plugin Quick Map Services. And if you found this video helpful, do have to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share. If you have any questions, you can drop the questions for me on my comment section